Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. We're gonna do some cooking. I came up, well, it's gonna be a chicken, garlic, Parmesan pasta. Or if you wanna call it, a chicken, garlic, cheese, pasta. But it's gonna have Parmesan and cheese in it. But the original recipe is called a garlic Parmesan pasta. But you know me, I gotta put my twist in it. So I'm adding to it. So anyhow, let me tell you what we're gonna put in it. We're gonna put, we got spaghetti, we got Italian seasons, we got canned chicken. Now if you wanted to put just regular chicken in there, you can, but I'm gonna do the simple way and put a chunk of chicken breast. See here? Of course we gotta have a chicken broth. We're gonna have minced garlic, a cup of whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of butter, but I'm going to use the whole thing of the butter. And then Parmesan cheese calls for a cup, but I ain't quite have a whole cup. So you do what you use what you have. So I got some Italian style grated fine cheese, and I've put that in there. So I gotta get you set up. I put the butter in here so it can be melting. And I'm gonna put some garlic, minced garlic in here so it can be in here sauteing. That all melted. I drained the chicken off, and then I've just took a fork and just kind of broke it up in here. Y'all see that? I'm just going to saute this for about 2 or 3 minutes. Turn this down a little bit. Alright. I'm going to add 2 cups of the chicken broth slowly. And I'm going to add a cup of heavy whipping cream. If you don't want heavy whipping cream, use whole milk. It's whatever you want. But I'm going to use this heavy whipping cream. I'd have turned it down too low. Alright, have it. I know it's 1 cup because I used 1 cup the other night with this, so I know I got 1 cup here. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. This is a half teaspoon of Italian season. That's optional, but you know me, I don't measure. Alright, I'm gonna let this simmer for about 4 or 5 minutes. Alright. Y'all, this is smelling so good. Looks divine. Okay, we just keep stirring occasionally. Yeah, it's looking good. We're gonna put the cheese in now. Oh, this is looking good. We're going to turn it down a little bit. Starting to thick. Get thick and thick and thick. Y'all, this smells so good. Don't that look divine? I wish y'all could smell this. I'm gonna turn it off. Let it sit here. Absorb this pasta. Absorb all this up. It cools off. Check back with y'all. Okay. Now for the big reveal to try. What y'all think? Don't it look good? Sure smells good. Okay. Oh my goodness, y'all. That's got awesome flavor. My goodness. Oh my. That's some kind of good. Y'all gonna want to try this. Oh, that's yummy. Anyway, let me know in the comment if y'all try it or if y'all ever tried something like this. But y'all, that's some kind of good. It's got great flavor. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. And I want to thank y'all for y'all's prayers. We have been getting some rain. Oh, my grass is so happy. It's nice and green. So I'm so thankful. But anyway, y'all have a wonderful day. And God bless y'all. And don't forget to share, hit the like. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And the ones that have, thank you. And I love y'all.